Hello everyone. In this presentation, Bayes' theorem and its applications are discussed. Bayes' theorem is one of the important theorem in probability theory. It describes the probability of an event based on prior knowledge of conditions that are related to the event. This Bayes' theorem is named after British mathematician Thomas Bayes. For better understanding of Bayes' theorem, one should have the prior knowledge of what is conditional probability and what is meant by total probability. Conditional probability is defined if the occurrence of one event depends on the other. Total probability is defined as if the probability of an outcome depends upon several distinct events, then we use the concept of total probability. If we look into the Bayes theorem, which is one of the powerful theorem in probability theory, this is used to find out the probability of an event based on prior knowledge of the conditions that are related to the event. It can be expressed mathematically as probability of A given B is equals to probability of B given A into probability of A and by probability of B, or you can write in this fashion where A and B are two events. Here, if you observe, we are using the conditional probability so that it is mentioned. The concept of conditional probability is very important in Bayes' theorem. If you look into this, based on prior probability, we are finding out the posterior probability. Bayes' theorem relies on incorporating prior probability distribution in order to generate posterior probabilities. Prior probability is the probability of an event before new data is collected. Posterior probability is the revised probability of an event occurring after taking into consideration of new information. Bayes' theorem allows you to update predicted probabilities of an event by incorporating new information. Here, the expression was written for the single event. Event A depends upon only event B to occur. Suppose if we extend to multiple events, then the expression for Bayes' theorem can be expressed like this. So when the occurrence of one event depends upon number of events to happen, here we have to use the concept of total probability. Clear? So if you observe this equation, what we discussed in the previous slide, and if you observe this equation, what I have written here, you can see the difference. Here it depends upon only one event. Here it depends upon number of events. So the conditional probability and the total probability theorems plays a major role and are very much required to understand the concept of Bayes' theorem. For example, here probability of cancer for given symptoms. That means if a person has these symptoms, it will be calculated the probability of having cancer. Okay, that is equals to probability of symptoms for given cancer. That means if he has a cancer, he should have these symptoms into probability of cancer by probability of symptoms. We have discussed Bayes' theorem in two different ways. That is, in the first simple equation, we defined for occurrence of one event on the only one event to occur. Okay, suppose if you take this example here, the probability of rain for given cloud. So what is the probability that it rains if it is cloudy? That is equals to probability of rain into probability of cloud for given rain by probability of cloud. This example will help you for better understanding of the concept of Bayes theorem. In this example, if you observe, the art competition has entries from three painters, Palm, Pia and Pablo. Here we want to find out what is the chance that Pam will win first prize. Unlike the previous example where it depends, where one event depends upon only one event to occur, here the Pam to win the prize depends on more than one event. That is, it depends upon Pia and also Pablo. So here you use the concept of total probability theorem to find what is the probability that Palm will win the first prize. This is one more beautiful example to understand the Bayes theorem. Some important points to ponder are: Bayesian methods stem from the principle of linking prior probability and conditional probability to posteriori probability. This is very important point of Bayes theorem. And it is proved that Bayes theorem found more satisfactory, that is, it gives more accurate results than other distribution based techniques. Coming to the applications of Bayes theorem, this theorem can be used to determine the accuracy of medical test. It is also used to calculate the risk of lending money. It is also used in estimating the environmental damage. Suppose if there is this much of pollution, there will be this much of damage. So here also we can use the concept of Bayes theorem to estimate the environmental damage due to pollution. In the emerging technologies, machine learning, data science, there is more need of Bayes theorem and its applications. Hope you understand the concept of Bayes theorem. Thank you.